Moving on to Sushant Singh's death probe. The Narcotics Control Bureau team in Mumbai has now intensified its probe into the possible drug angle into Sushant Singh's death case after NCB arrested two drug peddlers, Karan Arora and Abbas, red-handed with drugs from Mumbai. They've now arrested a third drug peddler as well, who allegedly supplies drugs to Bollywood. This third peddler has spilled the beans during his grilling. He has claimed that his links to Ria's brother Shouvik. India Today has learned that following this, Ria's brother Shouvik will also be grilled soon by the NCB. Amid these arrests, national-level billiards player Rishabh Thakkar has been grilled by the Enforcement Directorate for a marathon 8 hours on Tuesday. ED team will now probe Rishabh Thakkar's circle of friends to ascertain if Ria bought any contraband from him. Heat on Goa-based hotelier as well, Gaurav Arya, by the Enforcement Directorate also intensifies. After his questioning last evening, ED has now scanned and cloned Arya's phone for clues regarding any communication related to narcotic drugs. Cutting across to Vidya, joining us live for more details. Vidya, now the NCB who stepped in, the Narcotics Control Bureau, they've widened the probe into this drug angle connecting Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Narcotics, contrabands, banned illegal drugs that is being spoken to and referred to extensively in the chats of Ria Chakravarti as well as Shouvik. Now the NCB are calling in one after the other all those people who've been mentioned in those chats. What do you think is the NCB they're really going to probe into? What angles are they looking at if these members who are mentioned in these chats are actually selling drugs? Is that the probe going to be focusing on?
Well, it is going to focus entirely on the fact that there has been transaction of drugs between Ria Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti. Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters have already alleged that it was these people who were feeding him drugs, although there are, the screenshots of messages that have been forwarded which include Sushant Singh Rajput in a group where he is also present. So he definitely knew about the transaction of and the giving and taking of weed and other substances. But I'm right now here at the CBI office, which is also looking into, remember these ends, the one that investigation that is being done by NCB actually came forward from the CBI investigation. The CBI's angle of suicide, attempt to suicide, abetment to suicide, that really seems to be holding water, which is the reason why the entire focus is now on the NCB and wanting to find out. In fact, we have got to know that NCB has been speaking to some of the known drug peddlers as well. They are picking them up, interrogating them whether they supplied any of these drugs. So all that bit, along with the fact that Gaurav Arya and others are already being questioned, that network is being widened by the NCB, who is looking deeply into this entire drug mafia angle which is there in this particular Ria Chakravarti Sushant Singh Rajput case.
Well, clearly, Vidya, of course, absolutely, the NCB also widening its probe to Bollywood as well, entirely to see if Bollywood is being fed by the drug mafia, who's connected, who's supplying, who's consuming, all that the NCB is now cracking down upon. Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.